same thing. A simple EQ, which you can go here, and it's in the preset. 20 hertz by 18 cut. 20 hertz on the low end, 18 on the high. Fruity Blood Overdrive. It'll just beef up the track a little bit, Don't go too crazy with it. Compressor, same deal. Presets. I like to use Fast Master. And then from there, I adjust the gain. I adjust the attack and I adjust the release. Well, on this one, I didn't really touch the release. I actually only messed with the attack and I messed with the release on the limiter. This is the brand new limiter. I just want the, limiter. And this is so your track doesn't peak over 0 decibels. Fully mastered track. FL Studio plugins. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe. Five tracks. Keep it nice and simple. Alright, I'm gonna upload the beat. Y'all can check it out. Thank you for watching. I'm out.